Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, is also en route the accident site. Mamata Banerjee to reach the accident site soon. Remember earlier Mamata Banerjee also while responding about the unfortunate incident, the tragic accident, spoke about the loss of life. We have Sabyasachi getting us more details. Sabyasachi, the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and also now the Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee are on their way. They'll be reaching the accident site soon.
Well, absolutely. See, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be en route to the accident site in the second half. She would be going over there to see how the rescue operation is going on and what is the current situation. We already told our viewers that Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will be reaching there anytime soon. He had left from the Railway Ministry and he's heading towards the accident site. Darjeeling MP Raju Vista has reached over there to look at the current situation. Meanwhile, see, on one hand, the Railway Ministry is prioritizing the rescue operation, trying to make sure that people who are injured gets the first priority. They are shifted immediately to the government hospital for the treatment. But on the other hand, we are seeing that specifically from the Congress party, a lot of questions are being raised at this particular time regarding the function of the Railway Minister, regarding the function of the Railway Ministry, that how such sort of accidents are being continuously taking place, and all these things are happening because of the negligence of the Railway Ministry. At this particular time, Mamata Banerjee also said that she is deeply pained and deeply shocked to know about this accident where around 8 people have lost their life. 3 of them were railway employees and around 50 people have been injured in this tragic incident. And Mamata Banerjee in the second half will be heading towards the accident site, and she's also likely to meet with the injured people as well as look about the current situation over there.
Right. Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We also have Adrija on the broadcast with us. Adrija, Mamata Banerjee has expressed shock. She is in fact going to be soon reaching the accident site according to reports coming in. Meanwhile, there are some in her party. Her party members have started demanding resignation of the Railways Minister.
Well, absolutely. You see politics now definitely playing out in this entire matter where now the TMC have come out and hit out at Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Union Minister, and is demanding for his resignation to ensure that, you know, this is just nothing but just a negligence from the Railway Minister's part and Railway Ministry's part, and therefore such accidents are, occurring so often. That is what the TMC is saying and is demanding his resignation. But on the other hand, Mamata Banerjee herself is en route towards North Bengal. She will be reaching there in the second half of the day and is also, not only visit the accident site but will also be meeting the injured who are, currently receiving treatment in the government hospital in Darjeeling district. And also, as I was telling you earlier, that several medical teams and ambulances have been set while we were talking to the CPRO here. He have also said that the team from Kolkata has also en route towards North Bengal to ensure that proper assistance is provided, and at the same time tents are being set there to give medical assistance to the injured who have been rescued from this entire incident. And of course the rescue operation is somewhat concluded, and now the restoration process will be taking place as soon as possible so that the tracks are mended and the trains can once again start running and everything can be brought back to normal as soon as possible. The death toll as of now has risen to 8 and is unfortunately expected to rise even more. But several people injured, more than 30 people almost injured in this tragic incident that have taken place.
30 people have been injured. That's the update coming in. Sabyasachi also continues to be with us. We're playing out some visuals of the war room as well, Sabyasachi. The top officials were monitoring the situation. Mantris were also in touch with these officials, monitoring the situation there on ground. At the moment, unfortunately, politics has also peaked, demanding resignations, hitting out at the government, Modi government, saying that this is a negligent attitude or negligent behavior of the Modi government and pointing out lack of safety.